My favorite feature of this extension cord is that the cord itself is very flat, which makes it a lot easier to run under rugs so that you're able to get power to exactly where you need and you can still cross a room in order to do that. The cord is also 15 feet long, so you can get quite far from the original outlet. I did that here in my living room. I ran it right under my rug in front of my couch, and you can hardly tell that there is a cord there. This power strip has three-prong outlets that are closely spaced together, and then one 3-prong outlet that has a lot of room on either side so that you can plug in that really big plug. You know, we all have them, and they can always crowd up a power strip, but this one has allotted space for that. It also has 2 USB ports, so you can plug your devices straight into this power strip without any extra converter plugs. And it has a power surge protection switch, which will make sure that you never overload this power strip. You can either use it on the ground like I did, or it comes with this mounting template and 2 screws that you can use to mount it wherever you need. And it's the small things in life. I love that it has this Velcro strip on the cord that you can use to tie that up while you're not using it. This power strip is excellent quality and has been a great addition to my home, so I can highly recommend it.